In this video, we're going to be talking about solving problems when you have a matched or paired sample. So quick overview is that a matched or paired sample occurs when you are measuring two things with the same group of people, which is the before and after weight of a weight loss program, which is the problem that we have right here. A health facility provides a program to help clients lose weight. The same facility asks a consumer agency to investigate the effectiveness of the program. The agency takes a random sample of 15 people, weighing each person in the sample before the program begins, and 3 months later to produce the table below. So determine whether the program is effective. So in this question, it's asking us to determine whether the program is effective or not. And we are using a paired t-test because we are measuring two things that occurs with the same group of people. So in order to find that out, we need to get the p-value and compare it to our significance value, which is 0.05. So let's head over to our Minitab and input our data to the worksheet. So I've already inputted the data from our table to the worksheet. And what we need is the total outcome of the data. And what we're going to do is click on Stat and hover on Basic Statistics and click on Paired T because we are comparing measurements that are made on the same people but under different conditions. And from the drop-down list, you need to select each sample is in a column. So in sample 1, select before, and in sample 2, select after. And after that, press OK. So as you can see, you have your descriptive statistics, which is your number of samples, your mean, your standard deviation, and standard error of the mean. Also, your estimation for paired difference, you have your mean, your standard deviation, your standard error of the mean, and your 95% confidence interval for your mu difference. So going back to our question, we need to determine whether the program is effective or not through comparing the p-value to our significance value. So here in this table, our null hypothesis states that the mean difference of the weight loss program is 0 because the p-value is 0.00001, which is less than the significance level of 0.05. So the consumer agency is most likely to reject the null hypothesis, and therefore they conclude that there is a difference between the weights of test subjects before and after the weight loss program. And we can say that the program is effective. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you learned something new. And feel free to ask me questions in the comment box down below. And so stay tuned for the next video, and thanks for watching.